So we're on lesson 40 and we're going to look at final tasadi today. So if you remember, tasadi we did over previous lessons looks like this and sounds as tus, but more like a za. So final tasadi is like this. Okay, so sadi, final sadi. So if sadi's in the middle of the word or the start, it'll be written like this. Sound as tus. If it's at the end of a word, still sound the same, but this is the form it will take. So tasadi is the 18th letter in the alphabet. Pronunciation sounds the same as the normal tasadi. And as with the final noon and the final half, the final sadi also has a long stem. So we're going to look at some Hebrew words now using that sadi. Okay, so the first word we do okay, so this is the kuf, sounds as cat. This is the vav with the dot on top, which is the O vowel, and the sadi at the end, quotes. And this, in English, that means phone. Okay, this one, this is the chet, which sounds as chat. The two dots is the E vowel, which sounds as air, and final sadi at the end, chets, and that means arrow. Okay, this one is the noon, which sounds as n. Two dots again is the air vowel. So you add the sound of the vowel to the sound of the consonant. Then you move on to the next letter, it's the final sadi, nets, which is hawk. Okay, so look at the Hebrew letter. This is the bet, sounds as bat. So sound of the Hebrew letter. Then look for the vowel. There's no vowel underneath. The vav with the dot we know is the O vowel from a previous lesson. So you add the O sound to the sound of the consonant. So it'd be bow, and then move across this final sadi at the end. Boats, which is mud. Okay, so this one, this is the ayin. Ayin is a silent letter, so we've got no sound. So you instead it goes straight to the sound of the vowel, which is the air vowel, the E, air, and then final zadi, etz, and that means tree. Okay, this one, this is the kuf, sounds as cat, sound of the vowel, which is air, final sadi, chetz, which is the end, so which could mean edge, tip or border. And then the last one we're going to do Okay, so again, the LF is silent. So sound of the vowel will come first on this one. And the 3 dots is the air vowel, the E sound. So E vowel, air sound. Air, then you go on to the next Hebrew consonant, it's the resh, which sounds as Again, it's the E vowel attached, which sounds as air. And the final sadi. Eretz, which is land. So next week we're going to look at the last final letter, the final phi. I'm going to do a recap of all the vowels. And each week I'm still going to put some lessons up. We'll have a look at all the consonants again, right through the alphabet, and some more little lessons just with some tips on some of the other vowels and things that might help you along. But I'll see you now next week. Enjoy the rest of your week.